I don't get it. Why is every time a number in a movie is always 555-2344? It's a cell phone or your house number. It's my cell phone number.
Thanks.
Alright. What's your house phone number? 555-3264. So your cell phone number and your house phone number start with the same thing on area code, basically. Yeah. 555. Why 555? In real life, 555 isn't a number. Or doesn't start with a cell phone number. Or a house phone number. So why in movies, 555 is the only number that we gotta go with? Be like 555-1244. Cell phone number or house phone number? Cell phone number. What's your house phone number? 555-1347. Damn, dog. So both of your numbers is 555. You must have got that shit linked up to your house phone number. Nah, just 555-1734. That's your cell phone number, right? Nah, that's the house phone number. So your cell phone number is what again? 555-1264. You know what, dog? Don't even worry about it. I ain't want your number. Just leave it like it is.